Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. With today's market movement, we can see that the market following the major direction of the trend, and we have seen quite a few breakup structure, and also early today we also have quite a few trades as well. So at the moment we can see the market is again moving in the major direction. So looking at lower time frame for potential entry. Now, before we look at how we can trade, first let's quickly look at the bigger picture, starting with the monthly. Now, this instrument from the monthly, we can see that previous monthly candle is a bull candle, which is having almost equal week on both sides with a healthy body that represents a stronger volume previous monthly on gold. And therefore what we can see in this instrument from this level, there is a bounce here followed by a pullback, and we can see that the market is in another impulsive phase from the monthly. And this monthly candle, so far we can see that XAUUSD currently above this resistance line, and we may see that the price continue to rise to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly chart to see a bit more detailed picture, we can see that from the weekly there is an inverted head and shoulder, which is a very strong uptrending starting from here, and we have seen that with this order block, which is previous resistance here, which is turning support here, and this is a long weekly doji formation with a stronger liquidity gap. And we can see the market basically had a bounce, 3 important weeks of pullback, and we saw back to back another 2 weeks of pullback. So during that consolidation period we saw that there was a significant pullback in this market, and also there was a stronger liquidity grab along the way. So therefore we can see that XAUUSD currently in a very strong uptrend. Previous weekly candle closed with a bullish engulfer. The candle closed with a full body green, and this week we see that from this level the market again returning back to the upside. And as it is a void here, we can see there is nothing at the top, and we may see that the market is going up to fill that at to the upside, and there is no specific resistance line, so there is no specific level that we can expect gold to reach, and that might lead a free rise to the upside on the lower time frame potentially. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that the market trend changes from this level, forming an inverted head and shoulder breakout from that inverted head and shoulder. And with that breakout we have seen the market, this is a support level here, which is also support here, and from that support the market formed that inverted head and shoulder breakout with a bullish engulfer on the daily, and we can see that the market maintaining that series of higher low, except there is a daily doji formation in that area, which is in fact a pullback in this uptrending market. As a result, previous day we saw also full body daily candle. Now this candle also, what I think that if you guys look at it, you can see there is no week almost on both sides. So it has in fact very strong liquidity in this huge volume, and as a result today we see the market has come here for a pullback, and again has got as expected rejection. So you can level up this two level of the daily previous resistance turning support here. Now for our time frame, we have already, I posted early one analysis on trading view. If you guys have seen that, probably we can see that there is a here, this is a there is a huge liquidity flow in that area from 4 hour, and the market trend is up, maintaining series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrend. And the previous session also a strong pin bar, and these sessions after retesting this liquidity zone we saw that there is a bounce here. Now looking at the 15 minutes perspective from day trading, where we can find trading opportunity, we saw that there was a break here, break of a structure from this liquidity zone, and from that level the market managed to bounce again, and this all those candles on the 15 minutes, we can see that maintaining series of higher low. Therefore, I will be waiting for a potential break of structure. At least one or two candlestick pattern needs to be crossed before it return back to the upside. So this is where I will be waiting for potential trading opportunity on XAUUSD. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.